Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. Today, we are going to do the exercise of Chapter 1 The Camel and the Trader. So, let's check it out. Question A. This is page number 5 of your textbook, children. Put a tick if the sentences are true or cross mark if they are not true. The first one, the trader is very kind. So this statement is true, children. So we have put a tick mark over there. You remember the trader was so kind that he allowed the camel to come inside the tent when it was cold outside. So this statement, the trader is very kind, is true. Let's see the second one. That night it was warm in the desert. This statement is not true. So put a cross mark. Why? Because you remember it was cold outside the tent and the camel wanted to come inside because he was feeling cold. So the statement is not true. Third one, the camel feels cold. Yes, of course, the statement is true. So put a tick mark over there. Fourth one, first the camel puts its neck into the tent. This statement is wrong. You remember, children? What was the first body part that the camel wanted to put inside the tent? It was its head, not the neck. So, the statement first the camel put its neck into the tent is not true. Fifth one, finally the camel puts half its body in. This statement is not true. Why? Because finally means at the end. At the end, camel wanted to put its complete body or full body inside the tent. Why? Because it was freezing outside. So, this statement is not true. Let's see the next question, children. That is the B one. Tick the right options to answer these questions. How does the trader feel when the camel made a request the first time? A. Willing to help. B. Sad. C. Happy. And D. Angry. So we are going to put a tick mark on the A option because the correct answer is willing to help. The trader wanted to help the camel when he made a request at the first. Let's see the second one. What does the camel do slowly? Find shelter in the tent. Enters the tent step by step. Remains outside. Feels warm. And the correct option is enters the tent step by step. Now, you can find a confusion between A and B because find shelter in the tent can also be the answer. Yes, it can be the answer, but the correct option will be enter the tent step by step. Why? Because in our story, the camel wanted to bring its head inside the tent at first, then shoulders, then half its body, and then completely inside the tent. So we will take the B option as the correct one. Enters the tent step by step. Okay. Yes, of course, the camel finds shelter in the tent, but how? Step by step. So kindly take the second one, that is the B option. Let's see the third one. What does the camel do at the end of the story? A. It sits near its master. B. It pushes its masters out. C. It eats all its master's food. And D. It lights a fire in the tent. And you all know the answer. The correct option is B1. It pushes its master out. Why? Because the tent was a little smaller, and so when the camel come inside the tent, what he did, he pushed his master out of the tent. So this was all for today, children. Thank you.